All right, good afternoon. It is September the 1st. What we're doing today is we are going to be going through our AET today. We are going to set up and create our AET information. Everything you need to know is under this profile class directions. But before you can actually do that, you need to get to the SAE getting started. All right. Now, when you do that, what you will find is this website that we're using, which is called theaet.com, right, has information that you will need to use to access your account. Now, the way you access your account is by uh, your first letter of your first name, followed by the capital letter of your last name, with the rest of your last name spelled out. Our chapter number is capital N, capital C, 0089. So when you go to the AET, theaet.com, and you click the login button, okay, capital N, capital C, 0089. If your name was Will Smith, it'll be a capital W, capital S, with the rest of your last name spelled out. And your password is going to be identical to what is spelled out on the actual computer itself. Now, to show you what the student view looks like and what you're going to be doing today, I'm going to log on and I'm going to switch to a student today. And now that I am on his account, your screen will look like this, theat.com. You're going to go to your profile, right? And on your homework, if you go back to the module, what you will see is profile class directions. That is what we're completing today. When you click on that, it's going to pull you to this page right here, all right, which looks just like this. So day one, that is what we are completing today. AET, school ID number, right? And this is everything that you need to fill out, the profile, and it's got everything step by step, which is a really easy process. So once you're logged in, you go to manage your personal profile. And then what you're able to do is click on each one of these boxes and you're going to fill everything in. If it has a little star beside it, it's required, right? Make sure you're paying attention to the directions that are on here, okay? Your primary mailing address, just to show you this, if you start typing your address, it should populate. Now, sometimes what will happen, if you have a crazy address like the school here, it's not going to necessarily show up. So if your address doesn't show up, go to the click here, and you can manually type that in. Contact information. This is a really important block as well. I need your email address. It doesn't matter if it's your school email address, your Gmail address, your Apple address, whatever the case may be. And I need your phone number, right? Your phone number, not your parents, your phone number. I use this to push messages to you and updates and notices and to remind you of a couple of events. So it's really important that I have that, okay? And then what I also need from you, if you look at the actual directions here, it says for your parents, I only need a name, email, and phone number. I don't need all that other information, but when you go to edit, please make sure you click name, email, phone number, okay? Those are the ones that I need. Really important note, every time you do something on here, you want to make sure you click save. If you don't click save, it will not save your information and you'll have to do it again. Once you're done with that, you're going to go back to the profile page. From that profile page, you're going to select record your class schedule. And then you're going to go to add class. And then you're going to find Ag Apps Block 4, Jay Machoto. Click add. And it will show up right here underneath the school year. Okay? So if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. And I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow in class.